What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to connect Bluetooth device on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on Bluetooth. Now here you will see a Bluetooth button on the top, so turn on this button, and after turning on this button it will show you the list of available devices that you can connect. So from here, tap on your device name, and then from the pop-up click on pair, and after that click on OK, and then your Bluetooth device will be connected. So that's how you can connect Bluetooth device on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.